This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Prise the plastic covers from the wheel bolts where applicable. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the floor seam, indicated by a triangle in the sill. Don't jack under the sill flange. Raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the floor seam. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Position a trolley jack and block of wood beneath the coil spring position on the trailing arm, and raise the arm so that the shock absorber is slightly compressed. Note, on some models it may be necessary to remove the plastic stone protection guard first. Remove the upper mounting bolts and withdraw the shock absorber. If required, prise off the plastic cap from the upper mounting. Counterhold the piston rod with an adjustable spanner, then slacken and remove the piston nut. Pull the upper mounting, bump stop and tube from the shock absorber. Slide the tube, bump stop and upper mounting over the piston rod. Fit the nut, then holding the piston rod stationary, tighten the nut to the specified torque. Refit the plastic cap. Maneuver the shock absorber into position. Then insert the upper mounting bolts and tighten them to the specified torque and angle. Align the lower end of the shock absorber with the hub carrier. Insert the bolt, but don't fully tighten it yet. Using the jack, position the centre of the rear hub to the specified ride height from the top centre of the wheel arch. Now tighten the lower mounting bolt to the specified torque. Clean away any dirt, then apply a thin smear of anti-seize grease to the hub collar. Refit the wheel, then insert the retaining bolts and lightly tighten them. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque. Press the plastic caps into place over the wheel bolts. Remove the wheel chocks.